With the help of this course you will learn Google Chrome keyboard shortcuts for Windows, Linux and Mac. Benefits for this course: efficient and time-saving. Using shortcuts makes you more efficient at doing certain tasks on your computer. When you're not necessarily reaching for the mouse every second, and once you start using shortcuts each day, you'll start noticing a boost to productivity. Take for example the task of selecting all the text in a document. Instead of using the mouse to click and hold it across the whole document, you can simply press Ctrl+A. Easy, right? This quick shortcut lets you do more with less effort. Multitasking. Being a multitasker is sometimes required in life. It's an ability that lets us tick boxes in our to-do list quickly, especially when juggling with dozens of tabs and tools at once. Knowing the right shortcuts allow you to easily navigate your way through these tasks in less time than usual. You might feel awkward using a combination of keys while using your mouse at the same time, but once you start powering through your work as a keyboard ninja, you'll never look back. Health benefits. Cutting down on your mouse usage by using keyboard shortcuts can help reduce the risks of RSI, repetitive syndrome injury. Many people develop RSI by doing a repetitive task like resting the heel of your palm on the desk and raising your fingers to use the mouse. If you use keyboard shortcuts, you can save hundreds of mouse clicks and movements each day.